Hello everybody. Today we're at the Calusa Shell Mound Trail. The Calusa were Indians that lived in the southwestern or southern parts of Florida. And let's go out and see what we can find. One good thing is they gave us a real nice boardwalk to walk on. It's quiet. It's peaceful back here. Walk into the past. Okay. Journey begins on the left, it says, so let's go to the left and see what we can see. You can see we're up above the water. Lots of shells on the ground. Woodpeckers, maybe. Tourist tree. They turn red and they peel just like tourists. We passed quite a few people out here. Little plaque telling us about the native plants and their uses and how they made rope from some of the plants. Past a woodpecker, we could hear him. I like these cactus. I don't know. Can we see these cactus? Look at it. Look at this. Oh boy. You got stuck with that, you know it. Look how they grow out in the middle of the swamp. Quite a few bird watchers out here today. I like bird watchers because they're quiet. And the days you come out, some days you come out on these paths and it's full of little kids screaming and hollering. You don't see a bird, you don't see an animal, you don't see anything. Of course, we're not seeing anything today either. I think I have to buy moccasins so I can walk down these paths quietly. Here comes people going the wrong way. We'll be back in a minute. There's a lot of mangroves out here, red mangroves. Red mangroves are the ones that live in the salt water. And you see them with a big long root system sticking up to kind of help hold the plant in place in the storms, etc. And they drop, it's like a leaf, I guess. I'm sure that the experts have a word for it. It drops in the water, floats away, lands on a mud bar somewhere, and another tree will start to grow. Red mangroves are one of the few that can grow, trees that can grow in salt water. What they do, they grow, they drop their leaves, they make more plants. Pretty soon the mud starts to form around them. all of a sudden you have an island, then in comes the black mangroves behind that, and pretty soon you've got a whole big developed island. The animals start moving in. It's interesting. Look it up one day. Red mangroves. See how they actually work, what their job actually is. It's interesting. We're wet today, a lot of wet area back here. I knew when I came in the first time and looking around, I'm going, well, where is the shell mound? And the guy said, you're walking on it. So apparently it's a very large area. It's now covered in leaves and dirt, etc., etc. But there is some high areas out there. There's a reflector right there. See the reflector? People moved into this area of Southwest Florida approximately 1000 BC, they're saying. Well, I don't know if that's true, but that's what I'm reading. And about 800 AD, they moved out here onto this island, here, Sanibel Island. And they said off and on for the next few hundred years they lived out here. They're undecided exactly if this was home, if this was a fishing camp out here, because there are much larger shell mounds on the mainland. So. Okay, we're pretty much ending our tour of the Calusa shell mound. As usual, thanks for coming along, and please subscribe to my channel, tell all your friends, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.